Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Instagram profile picture. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Locate and click on the profile button at the bottom right. Once you selected that, this is going to open your Instagram profile. On the profile page, click on edit profile. Now, once you select the edit profile, go ahead and click on your profile picture or click on change profile picture. Select choose from library or import from Facebook or choose stick photo to use your phone camera. So here I'm going to choose from library. Now scroll through your library and then select the photo you want to set as your new Instagram profile picture. So once you selected the photo, this is what you're going to see. Then go ahead and click on done at the top right. Then should say processing. Then should say your profile picture is going to change after a couple of seconds. You say loading. And once the photo is loaded, then you'll be taken back to your Instagram profile page and then your profile picture is going to change. So you can just come here, click on the profile picture and then you see the profile picture changed. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to change Instagram profile picture. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.